First thing you have to do is learn AI.
To learn AI.
You need to know everything about AI.
People should learn how to use AI.
We are in right now a AI bubble.
I'd be all about AI.
Awesome. Now, what does that actually mean? I've heard this so many times: learn AI, use AI, adapt or get left behind. Now, when you strip away the buzzwords, there are mainly three paths people usually take to make money with AI. I call it the AI income triangle, and once you see it, everything will make sense. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dan. I've spent a decade building software so businesses run faster. Now I'm building an AI agency in public, and I'm teaching you how to do the same without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you the three paths you can take if you want to make money with AI, the skills you need for each one, and how to get started today. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Inside the AI income triangle, the first corner is the consultant. These are people that make money with AI not by building tools, but by understanding how they work. Their job starts with listening, sitting down with a business owner and asking, walk me through what your team does every day, what are the most repetitive tasks you are doing, where does time get wasted. Then they look for opportunities where AI can step in. Maybe to automate a report, summarize data, or handle repetitive content. And here's the thing, this applies to every business that exists. From real estate to marketing to fitness coaching. Every business has people doing repetitive work that AI can make faster. Business owners are worried that AI might replace jobs or it might change everything overnight. What they actually need is a voice that helps them see clearly. Someone who can say, here's what's changing, here's what you can use, and here's how it helps you. That's what an AI consultant actually does. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a marketing agency that spends hours every month building reports for their customers. A consultant can come in and say, you can connect Google Analytics to ChatGPT through n8n and auto-generate full insights ready to be sent. That one idea can save marketing agencies 40 hours a month. And if they do a good job with the automation, then the reports will be better. The consultant doesn't use the apps for them, he just knows what's possible and can explain it clearly. And that's actually what they get paid for, clarity. Because when a business starts saving time and money, then they're more than happy to pay the person who showed them how to do so. And if this sounds like something you could do, then stick around, because in the next chapter I'll show you exactly the skills you need to get started today. Okay, now the second corner of the AI income triangle is the business owner. You can now launch a business that runs itself even before it grows. One in which the AI handles the boring parts so you can focus on the money-making ones. That means you begin with automated systems in place, not with a team of employees and not with endless manual work. So instead of hiring a social media manager, you can use AI to create your captions, posts, or even schedule them automatically. Instead of hiring a copywriter, AI can help you writing product descriptions and even emails. Instead of hiring an assistant that helps you organize tasks, you can use AI inside a tool like Notion, and those get done instantly. Think about it, you can now run what used to take a 5-person team solo. And that changes everything. You can launch faster, test ideas quicker, and keep your costs close to zero. So when I say business owner, I don't mean the traditional one. I mean an AI-first entrepreneur. Someone who builds a business that runs mostly on automations. And every hour they save gets reinvested into growth, new offers, better products, or even more customers. That's the power of building AI first. Now, let me give you an example. Let's take a boring business, like a small cleaning company that books appointments over the phone. With AI, you can automate quote requests, scheduling, customer follow-ups, or even reminders the night before the appointment. No fancy startup, just a regular business running way smarter. And that's what an AI-first business owner looks like. And the third corner of the AI income triangle is the agency. Now, all three paths sell results. The difference is how they deliver them. Consultants sell through advice and strategy, business owners sell through their own products or services, and agencies sell through implementation, by building automations that create those results for others. This is where you don't just talk about automations, you actually build them. You sit down with a business, understand their workflows, and ask what parts of this can AI handle instead of their team. Then you create the automation connecting tools like ChatGPT with Google Sheets, with CRMs, so the work happens automatically in the background. And that could mean turning client forms into reports automatically, generating invoices on a specific action, or syncing data between platforms so nobody has to copy-paste ever again. I know it sounds technical, but it's not as hard as people think, and you don't have to know how to code. Tools like N8N make Zapier let you build these kind of automations without writing a single line of code. Even OpenAI launched something similar just a few days ago. And the opportunity here is massive because every hour you automate for a business has a dollar value. Let me show you what I mean. So imagine a logistics company that builds delivery PDFs manually. Each one of those takes 2 hours. You build an automation that reduces that time to 15 minutes. That saves them about 5 hours and a half a day. And over 100 hours a month. At $50 an hour, that's $5,000 each month. You can easily charge a setup fee equal to 1 month of savings and a small retainer fee that they have to pay each month. So now that's what an AI agency actually does. It turns time saved into money earned. This is actually my favorite business model out of the three. I have a lot of videos on my channel about this, and soon I'm releasing a step-by-step full guide on how to start learning automation. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay, now everybody says learn AI, but nobody tells you what skills actually matter. It's not coding, it's not prompt hacks, it's these 6 I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, now the first one is a boring one, it's called context. It's an underrated skill that's taken for granted. Okay, now before you tell AI what to do, you gotta understand what's really happening. The goal, the process, the data you have. If you don't give it enough context, then you'll get generic junk back. Makes sense. It's like asking someone to cook dinner without telling them what ingredients you have. Okay, the second skill I bet you keep hearing all over about it is prompting. But not in the way everyone keeps talking about it. Prompting is not about clever phrases or secret keywords. It's about giving the AI examples and structure. Treat it like you would treat an intern. Show it what a good answer looks like, give it steps, and tell it what not to do. And the best part, AI can actually help you get better at prompting. Just tell it what you want and ask it for the prompt you need to fill in order to get the expected result. Okay, now the third skill you need to make money with AI, and honestly the one that changed everything for me, is understanding how businesses work. This was one of my biggest problems when I started out. I kept asking myself, what automation should I build that people will pay for? But that's the wrong question. It's not about the automation, it's about the business. You have to start with the business, not with the tool. Look at how it works, what slows it down, and what people are doing daily that doesn't help growing revenue. Once you fully understand the business process, then the automations reveal themselves. You'll see things like, oh, this company sends the same email 100 times a week. That's an automation. Or they manually copy data into Google Sheets. Automation. That's how real opportunities appear. The goal isn't to build random AI projects, it's to solve real business problems. Okay, now the fourth skill you need to understand in order to make money with AI is research and tool awareness. I mean, if you're a consultant, you just need awareness. You don't have to know every app, you just need to know what's possible. But if you're running an agency or building a business, you'll need to go a little deeper and learn tools like N8N, Make, Zapier, so you can actually build a solution. And don't worry, most of them are similar. Once you understand how one of them works, then the others will start making sense. And you only need to start with one. And remember, you're not marrying the tools, you're using them to solve problems. Tools change, but awareness stays valuable forever. Okay, now the fifth skill you need in order to make money with AI, the one I enjoy acting the most, is experimentation. There are no rules here, there are no templates, no best practices. AI is still new, it's like a huge sandbox. The people who experiment the fastest are the ones who end up winning. Every weird thing you try, every crazy prompt, every new workflow, every idea that doesn't make sense yet, teaches you something that others haven't figured out. Don't wait for a tutorial to give you permission, try it, break it, fix it. Learn what happens when you push it too far, because the truth is nobody's an expert yet. The people who look like experts are just people who tested more ideas than you. And the sixth skill you need to make money with AI, the one that actually gets you paid, is framing. Framing is the skill of showing value in a way that people understand instantly. You don't tell them I'll automate your workflow with an A10. You say things like I'll save you 10 hours a week. And that's what turns a $100 gig into a $1,000 project. If you can show your clients how your automation will save them time or make them more money, they'll never question your price again. Okay, now that you understand the three paths and the skills behind them, let's make it real. Here's exactly how you start. So if you want to be a consultant or want to start your own AI agency, then take out your phone, open your contact list, scroll through your old coworkers, friends, business owners, past clients, anyone running a business. Pick three who'd benefit from saving time or running smoother. Call them and don't overthink it. And say something like, hey, I've been learning how to automate stuff with AI. If I could save you a couple hours a week, would you like me to take a look? Take on the first clients for free. Do it so you can learn their processes, figure where AI fits in, and get real testimonials you can use later for marketing. And that's how you go from learning to earning. Now, if you're a business owner or want to start a business, then your path is a bit more complex. Because as a business owner, you can start all kinds of different businesses. A gym, a cleaning company, an e-commerce store, selling software or digital products, whatever you want. But here's the thing, for this path you'll need to go a little deeper. You need to start with research. You need to pick a niche, ideally one you already understand, and find problems people in that niche are struggling with. Don't worry, you can find people in a niche all over the internet. You can find them in Facebook groups, Reddit, all kinds of places. See what slows them down and what they complain about. Then start selling a fix for these problems. It can be a product, it can be a service. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Pick a business model that already works and make it AI first. Let's take the same cleaning business as an example. Start by laying out the full plan with ChatGPT, pricing, offers, customer flow, everything. Then for each process you identify, start automating stuff. For booking, for follow-ups, for reviews. And that's how you build a modern AI-first business. One that runs faster and cheaper right from day one. If this video helped you understand what people mean when they say learn AI, then make sure to subscribe. On this channel I don't just talk about AI, I show you how to use it to build businesses, automations, and real income. And if there's something specific you'd like to learn, then drop a comment below and I'll cover it in one of my future videos.